What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I am post-workout, so I feel like I look like a mess. So I try to cover my hair with a hat because your girl looks crazy. But Aldi just delivered my groceries. Well, not Aldi, but I ordered from Instacart or Instacart, whatever it's called. So we've got a couple bags of groceries. I'm going to be going into detail about what is in them, and then today I'm actually going to be doing a meal prep or like a cook with me, so if that interests you, make sure you guys keep on watching.
Wanna give myself to you, yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night.
So I do have 4 big bag of groceries, and I only spent $100, well technically $130 with delivery fee, and then I did give a tip for the deliverer, so not bad for that giant bags of groceries. And I'm definitely gonna be able to get a few meals out of them. I have tons of healthy snacks, and I don't know, Aldi's just one of my favorite places to shop because it's so affordable. I don't know about you guys, but I just feel like their healthy options is just definitely a way to go if you are on a health and fitness journey because they're so affordable. So let's go ahead and dive into the groceries. So this is just a thing of instant rice. We do like to meal prep rice with all kinds of stuff. I mean, you can do just like chicken and veggies, or like a stir fry and have rice on the side. I mean, there's so many things you can do with rice. I'm not gonna sit here and give you a bunch of examples, but meal prep rice, one of the things we do all the time. And then this is a can of cream of chicken. I'm gonna be making a meal with this tonight, so I wanted to pick that up. I did get some onion powder. I keep all of my spices in like this little container here, but I just am really low on it, so I picked up some that I'll just like dump into this guy here. And of course, necessity is always going to be eggs. I mean, we go through eggs so much. I just had eggs for breakfast. I seriously probably eat them every day. And then on top of with like baking and everything calls for eggs, so. And then I did pick up some just like normal biscuits. Normally I'm not the type to have biscuits just because I avoid gluten when I can, and then I mean, these are just really heavy on the stomach, I feel like, so I never order biscuits. But I found a recipe on TikTok that I really want to try, and it did have like chopped up biscuits in it. It's kind of like a chicken pot pie, or no, it was like a chicken and dumpling like DIY, and oh, it looked good. So we're gonna be trying that today. And then I do have a can of kidney beans. I plan on making chili at some point. And some ground turkey. I found another recipe on TikTok. It was like an egg roll in a bowl. But Aldi was out of the coleslaw like mix that would have been with this, so I'll have to like run out and get some of that when I do want to make that. I do have a spaghetti squash. I actually really like spaghetti squash lasagna. It's one of my favorite meals. My fiance does not really like it very much, but I do like making it for me because I enjoy it. I really like it. So, and then these are actually super good, made in the Instant Pot. I feel like it makes it literally just like the perfect texture and consistency without being like too hard or anything. So, love that. So, next bag we have some Pita Chips. I am obsessed with their Pita Chips. It's very good with their Cauliflower Buffalo Dip, which I have to show you as well. But I get 2 bags of these normally, so I have 2 of those. Just some frozen broccoli, and then this I actually learned about recently. This is my second time having this. I feel like it's pretty pricey just for this like really small piece of salmon. I think it was like $4 or $5 for this. I don't know why I do that to myself. It's pretty expensive, but I'm really lazy. So I think this is really convenient for seaweed wraps. I eat this with white rice and seaweed wraps, and I think it tastes really good. It's like a DIY sushi type of gig going on. Really like these, and according to my fiance, he does too, because he ate all of mine the last time I bought them. They're just like little mini ice cream sandwiches, but they're healthy, and they're only 60 calories per little ice cream sandwich. So even if you had 2 of them, 120 calories, not bad at all. You guys can't really tell, but I am still pretty sick. I try to hide it, but like, I'm still sick, so I'm still like coughing things up, and you know, phlegm, mucus, whatever. So if I sound a little weird, that's why. Don't mind that. Okay, these are so good. These are like little fudge cookies. Not healthy at all, but they are so dang good. They even have like little like peanut butter in them. Ugh. These are dangerous. I don't know why I buy these, because I'll eat the whole freaking package. This would be a very good like dinner idea. It's just like a stir fry that you can just chop up with some chicken and fry in a pan. And then I believe I ordered some teriyaki sauce somewhere as well. That way I think this would be a really good dinner idea. And then just a bunch of like frozen veggies. So I do have some Brussels sprouts, some more broccoli, and then these are some mixed vegetables. I'm really trying to consume more veggies. I really am. I really struggle with it. So these are so cheap. I think Aldi has these. I think these are like 60 cents a piece, maybe a little bit more, but I know they're like $1 or less, which you can't beat. So this is that cauliflower buffalo dip that I shared before. This is what I eat with the pita chips, and it is so good. It does have a little bit of a kick to it, but not too much. It's nothing crazy, but that's really, really good as a healthy snack. I have some green onions. I think this is just overall a good staple to have. Just toss on top of like any meal that you make. It just adds a lot of flavor. And then I do have some bananas, which is nice because the last time I ordered from Aldi to do like an instant cart, they literally gave me one banana. Like, who wants one banana? So I got more than one, which is cool. So here's that teriyaki sauce that I'll be making with the, what you want to call it, like chicken stir fry. So that with the veggies and like some chicken. Did get a bunch of carrots. I'm trying to eat more veggies again, so instead of like eating them raw, I'm gonna try to like cook more carrots, like make them like really soft and like add flavor, and like eat them on the side of dinners and things, because it's harder for me to eat them raw. I think I just don't crave them, but I feel like if they were like cooked, I might eat them more often. And of course, just some blueberry bagels. I have these a lot in the mornings with like my protein shakes, so these are a staple of mine. Of course, tons of like canned goods, so I've just got like sweet corn, French style green beans, looks like diced tomatoes, and then the rest of the stuff for chili. So I have like black beans and then more red kidney beans. So just some canned goods there. So like halfway through filming this, I didn't even realize that my camera was not on the correct setting, and made the like lighting a lot darker and like look weird, I think, if you guys can tell the difference. I don't know. But this is the last bag here, so let's go ahead and dive into this one. So I did get 2 giant things of chicken breasts, again for meal prep reasons. I have a meal or a couple meals that are going to call for chicken, and then whatever I don't use I can always freeze. So I did get 2 of these, which I've never even seen at Aldi before. I've shopped at Aldi and I feel like I never see these like big packages like these. Not mad about it though. Only $11 for this giant pack, which is like similar to like Walmart and stuff, so good deal. I did get 1 thing of hamburger meat because if I make spaghetti squash lasagna, because I have that spaghetti squash. So I did order chicken broth, but I did not order 2 of them, which is odd. But I guess I have 2 of them, so that works. And then last but not least, just some almond milk. I drink almond milk every day with my shakes, so definitely another staple of mine. And when I run out, I always have to get more, so.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel.
Hello, welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to be meal prepping with you guys. This meal I actually found on TikTok. It was actually pretty good. It's kind of like a chicken and dumplings, but DIY style. So you start off with some chicken, and then I went ahead and seasoned everything to my liking. After you go ahead and season, you're going to want to add some garlic, like any flavoring that you'd want to add. Then I did add some chicken broth. I will leave the recipe down in the description box. That way you guys can know the exact measurements and ingredients. But you just add in some veggies, and then you just set the crock pot and you let it cook and let it do its thing. So next up, I'm going to be making some hard-boiled eggs, and you guys, these were probably the best hard-boiled eggs I've ever made. They were literally perfect, like the greatest consistency. The shells peeled right off. I didn't have any issues. It was amazing. So I added the eggs to the water with some salt, let it boil for, I think I did 10 minutes. But then the key afterwards is to let them soak in ice water for 10 minutes. And you guys, these seriously turned out amazing and seriously peeled like nothing and just were so perfect. So if you guys really needed to find a way how to make eggs without them like peeling off the entire egg and just having a mess on your hands, definitely try out the ice bath for 10 minutes afterwards because they were absolutely perfect. So one thing that I've been doing is trying to incorporate veggies a lot more. I really have a hard time eating my vegetables, so I've just been really trying to prep them ahead of time and have them on hand. That way there's kind of like no excuse. But yeah, I've been just trying to incorporate them more and have more fresh produce. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just chopping up some cucumbers and some carrots and strawberries.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting off.
So this next meal I actually am in love with. It's a meal that I actually created all from Aldi ingredients. So I did an Instacart delivery through Aldi. So I got like a frozen vegetable mix with some like teriyaki sauce and low sodium soy sauce, and just like everything was just all from one place, which was really nice. But you just start by browning up your chicken, and then I added the veggies and then did the sauce. And you guys, this was phenomenal. I will probably make this all the time. It's definitely going to be one of my new staples, and it's really healthy for you, which I like.
I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a song.
So this actually ended up being, I'm not gonna lie, disgusting. I meal prepped these like little oatmeal things, like overnight oats with some chia seeds and oatmeal and protein powder and almond milk, and it was disgusting. I literally ate a couple bites out of one of them and I was like, I can't eat this, and I threw the rest away. But I tried. I am trying to do more like recipes out of my comfort zone and just try new things. So yeah, I tried, but it just was not that great. Maybe there's recipes that are just better than what I made, maybe without apple. I don't know. I will maybe try a different one at some point, but these never again. So if you guys have any ideas, definitely comment down below any recipes you might have, because this was not it. So
Sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind.
alright guys, but that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you.